Hi, Veronica here with Joovy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your car seat using the universal car seat adapter for the Qool. And it is super simple, so you guys are going to love this. So, car seat will nest inside of the adapter that's already clicked in here. Then you're going to find the restraint straps on the sides. And those just simply go over the car seat. You buckle that in, and you're going to want to tighten this just enough to where it's nice and secure for your car seat. So you have plenty of wiggle room here to do that. To remove, what you'll do is then just disengage the buckle for the restraint straps, and you're ready to go.